Hello everyone, welcome to the Bangkok vlog, and this is one of the last vlogs of my Thailand series. So we basically had some hiccups while boarding the flight to Bangkok from Phuket. We did oversleep, and but nonetheless we finally made it, and we did have some good time in Bangkok, and though it was only for a day, but nevertheless enjoy the vlog, guys.
Hello everyone, so we are at Juan Bosco International Airport of Bangkok. There you can see we are in Bangkok. This is the airport. This is the flight in which we came, that's AirAsia. And we landed in an early morning flight. We had a bit of a hiccup. We overslept. I had done a mistake. I came late night, 12 o'clock. He was awake, and we both kept the alarm. So my mobile was in. Basically, the alarm was in vibrate mode, and it did not ring. And we overslept, and we were woken up by the driver. Yeah, who actually had to take us to the airport. Thanks to him. It was like Mumbaikar Nikhil, was telling in a video that he just missed his flight. We thought, we would miss our flight, but luckily we have got it. And there was some, arguments going between, Chota Bhai and Bada Bhai, and lekin ab sab kuch theek hai, or I just said him sorry that okay, this won't repeat again. This is all. It's all part of the travel. It's a part of the travel. We get little bit. Sometimes, there you can see that's the name of the Don Muang International. It's not Don Bosco, it's Don Muang International Airport. There you can see that's the name of this airport. This small airport looks like, though it's an international airport. There you can see different airlines: Leon, Nok Air, and AirAsia. AirAsia is the one in which we came. It's around 9 o'clock here. The beauty of the G-Shock watch, showing the India time, it's around 7:45, and in the digital it shows the exact Bangkok time. But what 9:12. Bad is he charged 1,000 rupees for the. That's another baggage. It was very bad actually. I had to pay 1,000 baht for baggage. Because in India, even if you're traveling, it's too expensive. So 3,000 rupees is 1 baht almost. Yeah. So the flight ticket itself costs 3,300. Yeah. And this one is costing so much. It's very expensive. So in India, if we take a domestic flight, it's almost, they give around, 30 kgs of luggage. 7 kgs. Hand baggage. While you are traveling international, definitely will be having more than 7 kgs. Yeah. It's a trick for these making the money, make some money. And that makes us really upset, because as a budget traveler, when you want to save money. They threw away my small mini power bank also. Yeah, and they threw away I don't know what is wrong with that. It's a small capacity power bank. It does not have the printing about the capacity on the power bank. They should understand that these power bank chargers are all made in China. All these things together, I was highly upset. Yeah. Now, but we are happy. Taking it in my stride and moving on. That's all. You have to move on sometimes. So you guys can just see the same thing happened to me when I was in San Francisco. When I had to come from Colorado Springs to San Francisco airport, the domestic they charged me $100 for the baggage. Guys, we would always request you to. Baggage, the capacity is always very less. So, what would you like to say them? Somebody is traveling from Bangalore to Phuket and Phuket to Bangkok. Would you ask them to book the proper flight so that you don't have to pay extra? Exactly. So basically, you have to plan accordingly and see. Again, now we have to unnecessarily go back to Phuket. Instead, we could have just booked a direct flight from Bangkok to Bangalore, and that would have avoided this additional 1,000 baht. Now again, while going to Phuket, I have to pay this additional 1,000 baht of baggage. This is very unfortunate. 2,000 baht I had to basically spend, which is basically of worthless, because it's just for the baggage, not even for the tickets. So that's a little sad, but that's really happens. Sad. And we actually tried doing the same thing, but all the Bangkok direct flights have a layover in Chennai for almost 10 hours. Yeah, so and that is the reason we did like this. Basically, the other thing is that the return flights are much cheaper compared to the one-way flights. So that's another thing. So it all depends. Actually, it happens. Anyway, it's all part of the expense of a long trip. So it was a 6-day trip we had planned.
So, but we had a fantastic journey.
We had a
4
good
days.
time.
So,
Today is the only day where things are going a little off.
But it won't be
uh,
off as we are going.
Today we'll make a day out of this. We'll basically
Step in the city.
enjoy this city,
And
do some good amount of shopping, spend some more money, and make these people a little bit more richer.
guys, let me tell you, he's an engineer. He's in a very good position. So that's fine for him. And for someone, for budget travelers, you guys have to plan properly. And I don't mean that only engineers can spend out like that, but plan it properly.
Yeah.
But if you want
So
to
that you minimize your spending, unnecessary spending basically. Where neither did you eat nor did you enjoy. So it's a wide angle. So, okay. Alright, so it's a long walk to the baggage claim. Yeah, it's a long walk to the baggage claim.
Is this an international
Thought it's a small. It is an international. It is an international. Looks like.
These people have 2 airports, right? Did you tell
Suvarnabhumi
them?
is the other one. Yeah. Suvarnabhumi airport is the other one. You see, that's why. So it's a long walk. So you have these type of escalators. It's called fly through.
App called Grab app now. So from this we will be going to the location. It's just like Uber. Uber doesn't work here.
Yeah. Surprising that Uber doesn't work. Uber is an international company. 3,000 worth baggage. The bag itself is not worth that much. I got it for free, but I'm paying 3,000 rupees or 1,000 baht for that. It's okay, it's okay, it happens. This is a baggage claim area, guys. Or air Asia.
If they don't give, we can ask them 4,000 baht back.
Alright.
ಇದು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದೊಂದು ನನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
Yeah. Chalo, let's go. Oh, there you go. That's the exit. So we will book a cab now using the Grab app. So what's the name of the hotel?
So finally we land in
Hotel
Bangkok
Esremo.
and reach the airport and take a cab
Bangkok
to
hotel.
our hotel, which was called
Let's
as
check.
AA guest house or something. It was kind of a cheap hotel because we were going to stay for only about a day, and we took a Grab cab taxi over there. So Grab is the name of the app, which is like also serves. It's like Zomato, Uber, everything combined. It's just like how Uber and Ola are doing it. So we booked the cab and
sit
then
here and book?
headed
Yeah.
over.
Sit here and do some bookings.
So the hotel AA guest house was in an area called Sai Rambutri. So it was like a very small lane where only one car could go. But the vibes of the place was quite good. There were many restaurants around that particular place, and it is quite close to other attractions in the city. Nevertheless, we just visited the mall called the MBK Mall. And didn't do much over there in Bangkok since it was only for about a day.
The people don't understand English here, so me and Madhukar were basically struggling a lot to communicate with them. So because after putting the Google Map navigation also, they are asking few questions which we don't know how to answer them, and somewhat we convinced them to take us to the same location where we are booking. And here we are in Bangkok. Me and Madhukar.
So we reached the place, or we reached Bangkok around 10 a.m. or so. But the mistake that we did was that we didn't realize that the hotel check-in time is at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So we had the whole of the morning till afternoon time, and we had to basically keep our bags along with us. So what we did is that we went to the hotel inside Ambutri, kept the luggage there in a locker, and then headed over to MBK Mall so that we can utilize the time that we have. But the mistake that we did again is that we could have gone to some other attraction place or a tourist place in Bangkok instead of going to the mall, and maybe the mall could have been visited in the evening.
Basically, it's a capital city. There's many universities, institutes are all there here.
Basically, from Krabi to Bangkok, you can also take a bus, which works out much cheaper, and then you don't have the hassles of paying this extra baggage and all that, due to which I was pissed off. And the other issue I had is that on the second last day in Railway Beach, I basically did not wear sunscreen lotion on my shoulders, and I got a bad sunburn, and I had to carry this laptop bag and the camera bag, and I was so irritated that particular day that I was thinking that the whole day is gonna get spoiled. But nevertheless, we did enjoy over here. So in Bangkok, you have this floating market where you can basically go in a boat, and there will be shops all around, and you can just shop there, and they will make you shop while you are on the boat ride. And you might have seen in many movies, like for example in Sonu KT2K Sweetie, they have one particular song where they have shot all these scenes over there. So these are some of the things that you can do in Bangkok. There was another heritage site sort of thing, maybe a sort of a temple or something, but I heard it was around 500 baht entry fee, so we basically did not feel like spending that much, and we gave it a skip. So Bangkok is mostly a metropolitan city, and if you are a fan of nature, then you can basically give it a skip if you're on a Thailand trip. But if you just want to cover the place, then it would be sort of okay, like what we did. But still, I would suggest that if you're really interested and want to look at attractive places in Bangkok, so you need to do your research and plan accordingly.
We are in this mall called the MBK Mall. It's a huge mall, I believe. Seems it's very popular. That's the reason for coming over here. Our room check-in is around 2 o'clock. So we thought we'll make use of this time and do some shopping. And that's probably the main purpose of this Bangkok visit. This is the MBK Mall. Check this out. So many shops. Let's go up. Let's see what do we have. Look at this.
ನೀವೇನು ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಮೊದಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋತೀರಾ?
ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳು ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ.
ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಇದೆ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದಿದೆ ಮಾಲ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು.
ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ.
ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ.
3-4 ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇದೆ. 15,000 ಸ್ಟಾಕ್.
ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಹೋಗಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರ್.
ಒಂದು
ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಬರೋಣ.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಬಂದ್ಬೇಡ.
ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ.
ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಬರೋಣ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾನೇನೋ ಬೇರೆ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗೋಣ.
ನೀನು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋ.
ಅದೇ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋ. ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರು, ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
So basically, we decided to split and explore the shopping mall, and we thought we'll whenever required we will sync up. And my nephew was having some trouble with his SIM, so I asked him to keep the WhatsApp messenger on. The phone calls were not working, but the data was working. And this particular mall is pretty good, and there are many places to shop around. It's mostly clothes and electronics. There's one full floor for electronics. There's one separate floor for mobile phones.
Yeah.
Unknown brain. Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators.
So we are done with the shopping, and I just passed out in the hotel itself around 4 o'clock, and then sometime like around 6 o'clock I just woke up again and had a nice dinner over here in this particular place. And then finally in the at early morning we just headed out to the airport, basically so that we land in Phuket, and our Bangalore flight was waiting for us at Phuket. So we just boarded the flight to Phuket from Bangkok, and this is the Phuket International Airport. It is beautiful, having a beach kind of a view right next to the airport. So finally we made our way back to Bangalore. Thank you so much for watching this particular vlog, guys, and see you in the next one.